installed a second hard drive or SSD using a caddy, but it's not showing up under this PC. Don't panic. Here's how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. Open the search bar, type computer management and open it. Click on disk management from the left panel. Look for the new drive. It will likely show as unallocated. Right-click on the unallocated space. Select New Simple Volume. The wizard opens. Click Next. Now choose the partition size. Leave it default if you want one full drive. Or split into 2 or more partitions by entering size in megabytes. Click Next to assign a drive letter. Default is usually D. Click Next. For file system, keep it as NTFS. Give a name under volume label like data or SSD backup. Click Next, Finish. Windows will automatically format the disk and mount it. Open this PC and you'll see your new drive listed. Now your second hard drive or SSD is fully active and visible. For more macOS and Windows tips, follow us on this channel. We have got a tip for everything.